everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey, so I have something hidden here. Let's see if you can find it.
Hidden?
Yes. It's like you can't see it.
Like a secret message hidden?
Probably. I don't know.
Okay, well, I guess I'll look under the pan.
Under the pan.
Nothing under the pan. I'm
Nothing
gonna
the
look
pan.
under the pan.
Nothing.
Okay, I don't see anything under the pan.
No.
Is it in this bag of pens?
No.
Is it on one of the pens?
No. Although I did use it though, just so you know.
Okay. Well, I
Yeah.
kind of give up.
You what?
Are you drinking all that water?
Funny
That's
you
a
ask.
giant glass of water.
It is. Funny you ask. I'm not going to drink it. I'm actually going to show you where I've hidden the picture.
Oh, that's so cool.
That is so cool.
That is super cool. I thought it was just a bunch of these.
Right?
I don't know why you would have a bowl of these.
Right?
But that's so neat. It just
That's
kind of
neat.
like appeared.
Right, and you know what? You can't even see those little white beads,
No, they just
right?
they
Clear
kind of
beads, yeah.
like they're in there.
They're
There's
in there.
a ton of them
They're
in there.
but
they just kind of disappeared in the
know.
water. That's so cool.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Guys, if you liked this secret message trick as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.